Hello students, myself Ahir Dia from RBNB College Sri Rampur. Today I deliver a lecture on law of motion under the bridge course. For the studying the laws of motion, first we have to know what is motion. For understanding motion, we consider this object, and when we apply the force on this object moving in this direction, as like this one, this is called as motion. Or if we consider any object placed at point A, and we apply the force on that object in this direction. After some time, due to the force, object moving from A to B. This is called as motion. Very simple. When object is at position A, it is its initial position. When object is at B after time t, then at B, this is the final position of that object. And when object move from initial position to final position, there is change in its position with respect to time. That is called as motion. So remember again, what is motion? The change in position of an object with respect to time is called motion. So again see this example. When initially body is at position A, this is initial position of an object. When we apply the force, body moves from A to B, means it reaches to final position after some time, and that is called as motion. So from this example, we can define the definition of motion. Very simple definition. I think everybody understood that definition. Motion means the change in the position of an object with respect to time is called as motion. Now we study the types of motion. Motion is classified in two ways. One type of motion is linear motion, while another type of motion is non-linear motion. Now concentrate on linear motion. What is linear motion? If we consider again same example, object A is moving from point A to B along a straight line path. It moving from A to B along the straight line path, then such type of motion is called as a linear motion. So in that type, we concentrate on the path of the object. As path of object is straight line, then motion of such object is called as a linear motion. When we consider this example, in this case, this object moving along the straight line, as like this one, along the top of the table, in this way, such a type of motion is called as a linear motion. So simply remember that. What is linear motion? Linear motion means the motion of an object along the straight line is called as linear motion. Then we concentrate on another type of motion, non-linear motion. Non means not a linear motion. As we know that in case of linear motion, object moving along the straight line. In this case, in case of non-linear motion, path of an object is not straight line. Then in such cases, motion is called as non-linear motion. Very simple. In case of non-linear motion, only remember that path of an object is not straight line. That's why it is called as non-linear motion. Now we study this subtype of that, linear motion and non-linear motion. Again, this linear motion is classified in two types. One is say uniform linear motion. Another type of linear motion is non-uniform linear motion. In this case, concentrate on the meaning of that word uniform. Uniform means remain same. So, definition of uniform linear motion is the distance traveled by object per unit time in a straight line is the same. Such motion is called as uniform linear motion. In case of non-uniform linear motion, again we know that non means not, uniform means it does not remain constant, it is variable. So such motion is called as non-uniform motion. So we define the definition of non-uniform linear motion is like that: the distance traveled by an object in a straight line per unit time is variable. Such motion is called as non-uniform linear motion. In that case, object moving along the straight line, but distance traveled per unit time remains same. In non-uniform linear motion, object is moving along the straight line, but the distance traveled by the object per unit time is variable. That's why it is called as non-uniform linear motion. Now we study about the non-linear motion. As we know the definition of non-linear motion, motion of an object is not along the straight line path. Is it other than the straight line? That's why such motion is called as non-linear motion. So first type of non-linear motion is oscillatory motion. Second type of non-linear motion is circular motion. Another type of non-linear motion is random motion. For oscillatory motion, it is also called as vibratory motion. We consider this example of simple pendulum. Simple pendulum means a heavy bob suspended from a rigid support by means of thin inextensible string. When this bob is displaced at the extreme position and released, then this bob moves about its main position. Oscillations are start. Such motion of bob of the simple pendulum is called as oscillatory motion. It is also called as vibratory motion. In this case, object moves about its main position in between toe and toe. So such type of motion is called as oscillatory motion. If we consider motion of the spring, if it extended and released, then motion of spring is as like this one. So this is also vibratory motion or oscillatory motion. If we consider motion of needle of a swing machine, that is also example of a oscillatory motion. If we consider motion of the prongs of the vibrating tuning fork, if this tuning fork is hammer on the rubber pad, then these prongs vibrated about their main position in between toe and toe. Such motion is called as oscillatory motion. So again remember that. What is oscillatory motion? The motion of an object in between toe and toe about their main position. It is called as oscillatory motion or vibratory motion.